Hello guys, hi. Welcome to today's Digital SAT Math Masterclass. Today we'll be dealing with the questions on advanced functions and graphical interpretations. So let's begin without wasting any time to our first question. So this is our first question. A function f is defined for all real numbers by the quadratic fx is equals to 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. What is the net value of f minus 2? Simply plug in minus 2 in place of x. Correct. So the catch here is to do it quickly and accurately both within that specified time so that you have time for other questions as well. So 3 into minus 2 square is plus 4 minus 5 multiplied minus 2 is minus 10, which will make this thing as plus 10 plus 7. So this is plus 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 4, 12 is 29. So the answer is 29. What is the catch over here? The catch is to do it quickly, correct, and accurately. Okay, let's go to our next question. A little difficult. Okay, the graph of the exponential function is gx is equals to a multiplied 2 raised to the power x plus k, where a and k are constant parameters, passes through the coordinate point 0, 5 and 2, 17 on the Cartesian plane. What is the exact value of the horizontal asymptotic parameter k? Because they're asking us k. On what basis are they asking k? This is the equation of the function gx, and what is given to us. See, to have a value of k, we need to have a value of x. We need to know what is a gx x, if this was a particular was one single equation. So what are we given with, already provided with? If you look carefully, we are provided with that it passes through 0, 5 and 2, 17, which means it passes through 0, 5. If x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5. It means for a value of x0, it is giving you a gx value of 5, which means this, which means 5 is equals to a plus k, because 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. What next is given? Gx is equals to, next condition, for x is equals to 2, gx is 17, which means 17 is equals to a 2 raised to the power 2 plus k. What is this condition given us? 17 is equals to 4a plus k. From here, do not jump into the subtracting these two equations or substitution, because that will take you longer. Here's the catch. You are asked the value of k, not a and k, or not a is not involved. They are only asking for k. So directly go for k. How? Eliminate the value, eliminate this variable a. How are you going to do that? Multiply this entire equation by 4, right? You can multiply an entire equation by a constant, or divide an entire equation by a constant. You can add or subtract a constant on both the sides of the equation. That doesn't affect the equation. So if I multiply this entire equation by 4, what is it giving us? 20 equals 4a plus 4k. Now you subtract these guys. This was 1, this was 2, this was 3. Third equation minus second equation would give you 3 is equals to 3k, which gives you k is equals to 3 by 3, that is 1. So the catch for this question in an exam setting was not to hassle around and find the value of a and then k, or go for a method like substitution. Just go straight for the value of k. Okay, this is how you approach the questions in an exam setting. So guys, that was for today. Now, if you have any other questions on similar or any other topic, any topic that you have in maths, so you can drop your questions on the comment section. Or if you want a full-fledged coaching program, personalized coaching program for SAT or any other exams like AP, IB, or IIT JEE from India, you can reach out to me via mail or contact WhatsApp. So the contact is given on my channel. Uh, for the demo session. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.